So yes, you guys, as you can see, the broom, my witch's broom, is standing up on its own right now. And I do need a new witch's broom. Um, there's nothing making it stand or anything. It's supposed to be a rare phenomenon going on tonight. And they say it has something to do with NASA and all that. But of course, me and my other witches know it has something to do with something magical, something going on in the atmosphere, right? Something spiritual. So, yeah, anyone should anyone should be able to try this tonight. Just get your regular broom, take your time, and make it stand up in the kitchen. You can do it on your own. And this is so dope right now. I mean, this is really, really dope. And yeah, I had to get on that post like, what is going on? And I saw all of my other brother and sister witches. They were posting their pictures of, their broom standing up. And I'm like, well, you know what? I need to go ahead and check and see what's going on. So I was excited to come in here and try it. So yeah, this is supposed to be the only night you'll be able to do it. So I'm going to upload it now so that you guys can try it. And if you do, then post your picture or post a video up, and let us see your broom. Let's see if you were able to do it. Yeah. So yeah, guys, there's no tricks, no anything involved. This is standing up on its own. Yeah, some say it's witchcraft, right? Maybe. But anyway, yeah. Yeah, if you do it, any of you out there, just for fun, post it. I want to see if you made it work for you too. And of course, at first I thought, my broom is broken. It's not going to work. I've been having this broom for a while. As you can see, it's been through the ringer. So, yeah, but it'll still work. You should be able to do it. So yeah, so have some fun with it. Okay, bye-bye. Make your magical broom fly.